Flipping hell. You know what you want to keep?
Got some decent spanners. I like these spanners. Do we need this sock?
Shame. Flipping hell. Most organised tool bag
There we go.
ever. So this week we've got a different kind of challenge. Paul reckons his tool bag's a disaster and it puts my drawer of shame to shame.
Yeah, maybe.
So,
Let's have a look. Oh,
It's looking like a monster. Flipping hell. Goodness me. Like Mary Poppins handbag, that.
I think the stuff in her bag was maybe more useful.
Yeah.
Oh, that's almost
you
all
did
of
say
it.
it was disorganised. It
So
still sounds like there's stuff in that.
there's one or two bits and bobs. Hang on. We reach to the bottom of it. That's quite a nice spanner. See what else we got down there. Oh, hang on.
Flipping hell.
Oh,
Go steady the hell up.
I'm quite a snooker player.
Flipping
Not
hell.
played in a few years, but you
It's
know.
alright, isn't it? Why didn't you just
Hang
have it
on.
unfolded, like? Get it in there full length, you madman.
And then we got a ruler
Hey,
too
that's
for
going to be
cutting
handy in a
foam.
minute, that. We'll need that to cut down the foam.
So yeah, all sorts of stuff in here. I'll move it. Oh, hang on, one more.
You never know when you need one of them. Have you
Yeah.
got the keys for this? Surely you've got this nice queue in the case.
Well, I'll go and have a look. Hang on. It's in here somewhere.
That's
There it is.
it. That's
There it is.
it.
There we go. Right. So,
You madman.
yeah, what do you reckon then?
I think it makes good a good opportunity for a transformation, mate. That's what it is.
It'll definitely be a
I think
transformation.
there's probably, we can save that and that and that,
Do we need this sock?
and then that can all just go in the back.
Do you reckon?
No, that you can take that with that lol head,
Yeah.
that little dolly's head. What's all these wedding rings about? Who are you proposing to here, all this?
It's to whoever I meet on a daily basis. You never know.
If the it's a way to get 5-star customer reviews.
Well, fixing a sink. You never know how things might escalate.
Yeah, here's another sock. There's a pair. Got a pair there now. I don't think that was doing much work.
Well, it's keeping it all
Keep
dry.
it all dry, that. Right, so it's going to take a bit of sorting out this, isn't it? Do
Yeah.
you know what you want to keep?
Not really, no. I think the first thing to do was work out what stays and what goes.
Right, let's give it an organise then. Let's give it a sort out.
We've organised what we should probably keep, the maybe pile and the is not needed.
Well,
Pile.
not needed
Well,
in
not
your
needed
tool
in
bag.
your tool bag, yeah.
Yeah, that is needed in your sock drawer. I think you're missing a few essential items though.
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
It's looking a bit dire on the screwdriver side.
Yeah, so screwdrivers is literally 3, and there's not a single Phillips or PZ.
Well, they're all
Is there?
Pauls, these, aren't they?
These are all literally Paul's, yeah.
Well, none of that's Phillips.
None of Phillips. Well, yeah, there's only 3.
You've got a pretty good
I think
set of gear there. You've got Allen keys, which is a bit of an important one.
I've got some decent spanners. I like these spanners.
You've got
2
fucking-
adjustable spanners.
You've got another adjustable spanner, and you've
Tiny
got pipe
one.
grips too. So you're good for.
Good for that.
You're good for wrenching.
Yeah, but screwdrivers are probably the thing you use most often around the house, aren't they?
Well, let's have a look what we've got. So I've had a route for a few boxes, and I've got a few other bits and bobs that I think would be a good addition to your set. So you've got loads of 1/4-inch bits, screwdriver bits. So I've got a bit driver. I've also dug out. You've only got flathead screwdrivers, so I've got out a bunch of Phillips.
Yeah.
So Philip doesn't mind. And then also these are. You said your terminal driver was broken, so I've got a couple of terminal drivers that match. And then also you don't have any snips, cutters. So I've got a bull nose, some long nose, and then a set of snips.
Right, so we've got everything organised. We know what we're putting in there.
So we think we're going for yellow base in this one because it'll match the it'll match this case quite nicely. This tool bag. So this is one of our packs of easy peel, and we've gone for 50mm. So we've got 3 sheets of easy peel in this box. The 50mm, 600 by 420. It's about $34.99 for this box. So we'll get it opened and then we'll cut it down to size. Start a layout.
Cool, let's do it.
I think that's all sorted.
Yeah, it looks awesome, doesn't it? It's really nice. Really like this one particularly. That's the top one.
That's the top one, isn't
So
it?
that's the stuff we need the most, followed by this one, followed by this one, and then that one at the bottom, which is also the heaviest stuff.
Yeah, I'm surprised we only ended up using 1 1/3 of the sheets, so probably about, you know, pack's 35 quid, so you're looking at about £17 worth of material, and it took us how long, do you reckon? About half an hour, 40 minutes?
Yeah,
Not even half an hour really, wasn't it?
Yeah, it wasn't too long at all, was it really?
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Really quick with this stuff.
Yeah,
So
we've made those a little bit narrower, so that's the bottom one, and we're going to have that sat on top, they're the heavy stuff, and we've made these, because as the bag tapers a little bit, so we've made those a little bit narrower, so you can get those in a little bit easier. This is the bottom one, and I'll put that one in first.
So when I first brought this along, I didn't think you'd be able to use a tool bag for this. I kind of thought it'd have to be a box with drawers, but this actually works really nicely as well.
Well, with that moulded tray on the bottom, it definitely does, yeah, it's great.
Without the moulded tray, would you suggest it's not really right?
Even then, the foam will hold.
Because this is pretty rigid, isn't it?
As long as it's a gusseted bag, which means it's not going to like a point. If it's a gusseted bag, then that would sit in the gusset, and then it would hold the bottom of the bag flat.
So it might be fine anyway. That all fits in really nice.
Look at that, that's perfect, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the most organised tool bag
There we go.
ever.
Oh, so much lighter as well, actually, because we got rid of so much stuff that just wasn't needed.
I think these top two here, you can pretty much do most of the jobs around your house with those.
Yeah, that's it, really.
And then you've got the industrial gear in the bottom.
Yeah, really good.
I like it.
Cool, so that's it for us this week. Big thanks to John for helping me sort out my rather embarrassing tool bag. Now I'm part of the Shadow Foam team, can't really have a tool bag like that. So remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification button as well. Cheers, thanks for watching.
How many have you got stuck?
Just one. You'll have to wear that in every video from now on.
Have you genuinely got it stuck?
Oh, I'll be alright, I'm going to be alright. It's okay. Bit of sweat. Let's come off.